world's richest man, Elon Musk, is now a powerful mega donor for Donald Trump.
There's indexed. The net worth of Elon Musk, one of Trump's most vocal allies, increased by more than $26 billion.
Let me tell you, we have a new star. A star is born, Elon.
It might sound like an obvious question, but let's explore it further. Why do companies get screwed when their stock price crashes? We understand the direct correlation between a company's performance and its stock price, as well as how a company's performance can influence its stock price. However, the reverse relationship, how a stock price crash affects a company, is less clear. When a company goes public, it raises money from investors in exchange for ownership stakes. A rising stock price doesn't mean the company gains more money since the investment has already been made. Similarly, a falling stock price doesn't mean the company loses money, as they do not have to pay back that investment. So, what leads to companies going?
Some of the richest men in the world have already become even richer as a result of President-elect Trump's victory. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, the net worth of Elon Musk, one of Trump's most vocal allies, increased by more than $26 billion. And that was just yesterday.
Bankrupt due to a crashing stock price, potentially resulting in delisting. It primarily boils down to the concept of correlation versus causation. Generally speaking, a stock price crash will not directly result in bankruptcy. However, companies do not operate in isolation. A rapidly falling stock price often signals to the market that a company is facing or is about to face financial difficulties. Competitors, analysts, and investors scrutinize companies for potential investment opportunities. If they conclude that a company is struggling, they are likely to sell their shares, contributing to a further decline in stock price. Additionally, a falling stock price impacts relationships with suppliers, bankers, and customers. When they see a company's stock fall, they may reconsider their willingness to do business, extend credit, or commit to long-term contracts, viewing the decline as a sign of possible future issues. This interconnectedness means that falling share prices can make it increasingly challenging for a company to operate, as it may lead to decreased business opportunities, resulting in poorer financial outcomes, and, in turn, further declines in stock prices. A self-perpetuating cycle often referred to as a death spiral. Delisting is another significant consequence of a crashing stock price. Companies listed on stock exchanges must adhere to specific regulations. If a company fails to maintain sufficient shares for trading, experiences a drop in market capitalization, or does not provide timely audited financial statements, it risks being delisted. This is a serious and often terminal outcome for a company. Moreover, exchanges can suspend trading in a company's shares if they suspect insider trading, market manipulation, or lack of disclosure. Companies in financial trouble may find it increasingly difficult to comply with exchange regulations, which often require prompt disclosure of material events to the public. In many ways, a stock price acts as a barometer of market sentiment towards a company. When the market views a company positively, expecting it to generate higher future profits, the stock price typically rises. Conversely, when the market sentiment turns negative, suggesting that a company is likely to earn less in the future, the stock price declines. However, stock price drops may occur for reasons unrelated to the company itself. For instance, during broader market downturns, such as the housing crisis or the COVID-19 pandemic, companies like Apple have seen significant stock declines that didn't necessarily reflect their individual financial health. In cases where the stock price drops to a level deemed below its fair value for future earnings, investors might see it as an opportunity, describing it as a value or on sale, prompting them to buy more shares and signaling confidence in the company's potential. Using the example of Fisker, the stock price decline occurred because the market anticipated reduced earnings due to the company's struggles. However, it was ultimately the underlying financial issues that led to bankruptcy, not the stock price itself. In summary, while a crashing stock price does not directly cause bankruptcy, it often signals deeper problems within a company and influences how the market perceives its future. Understanding these dynamics helps clarify the intricate relationships in the world of finance. Long-term contracts, death spiral. Future profits, the sample of Fisker, the
unprecedented sway. Musk has indicated plans his own interests with election cycle with a formidable political apparatus Regardless of the dynamics between Musk and Trump, Musk has emerged from this election cycle with a formidable political apparatus that goes beyond this victory. His America PAC, which spent $153 million on Trump's behalf, now has a comprehensive voter database, a valuable tool for swaying future elections. Musk has indicated plans to continue the pace he's work, even targeting judicial and district attorney races, which could allow him to shape key legal decisions across the US in ways that benefit his policy interests. In doing so, Musk is creating a lasting political infrastructure that extends well beyond any one election cycle. This infrastructure provides him with a rare ability to sway critical regulatory or policy decisions at multiple levels of government. Decisions that could directly impact the operations of his companies or the adoption of his preferred technologies, such as electric vehicles and autonomous driving. Ultimately, Musk's political journey will be shaped by his ability to balance his own interests with those of the public he now aims to serve. For now, he stands as a unique figure in American politics. A tech mogul wielding unprecedented sway over government policy with a direct line to the Oval Office. Whether this alliance will yield mutual benefits or end in conflict remains to be seen, but one thing is clear. Elon Musk's involvement has fundamentally reshaped the landscape of American politics, and his influence will likely be felt for years to come.